Hey, CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are out bargain hunting at multiple dollar stores, starting with the Dollar Tree. So let's dive in. So when I walked in Dollar Tree, I saw these tortilla warmers. Have you guys seen these yet? So these are a name brand item at the Dollar Tree. Now, they did have a couple of different prints available, and these keep your tortillas warm for up to an hour. And I'm sure you could put a warm sandwich or something else in there to keep it warm if you wanted to. Now, I did check online at walmart.com. These were selling at $5.88, so $1.25 for the win at Dollar Tree. Another item I saw is this honeycomb shaped silicone ice tray. These are very handy to make those fun shaped ice cubes. This is $1.25 as well. You could get one or multiples of these to have these fun shaped ice cubes. This sink caddy was another new arrival at my Dollar Tree. So this goes over the saddle portion of your sink. You can have the container on one side and then a metal bar to hold like a scrub cloth. Very, very handy item to have. They have them in white and gray at my store. So be on the lookout for these on a tack strip. If you guys missed it, they do have the black chargers to go with the black mandala set, or you can even use this for the bee dish set at the Dollar Tree. I didn't see it last week, but I wanted to feature it this week. In the party section, check this out, new shaker bottles. These are so fun. You can use them at the bar to make mixed drinks, or you can even use them for protein shakes, a multi-use item. Now, when I did enter another store, they did have calendars marked 50% off. Yes, I know it's already May, but you can use the images inside for framing and DIY projects. In the health and beauty, look at this. They have more of the Jerry Redding Argan Oil products. This is the moisture repair conditioner. I've heard so many positive reviews on this product here, so make sure you check it out. If you love scented items, head on over to the cleaning section at the Dollar Tree. They have this new fragrance, Bright Bergamot, I believe it is. Now, this is the gel, and they also have this one, which is the crystal bead version. They all come with a vented lid. Now, if you like a spray, they do have this fragrance in a spray as well. So you get 3 different ways for this fragrance to disperse. Now, if you're not a fan of this one, try out the Peach Blossom. So I did come across this one as well. They did have this one in the crystal beads, and they also have the silicone or the gel as well. This is the air freshener gel as well. And of course, they did have the spray for this one as well. So you can definitely get both of these and try those out. I love when they come out with the new fragrances at the Dollar Tree, and I'm quite impressed by some of these. Some of these smell really, really nice. So go ahead and give those a try. Now, I've never seen a poster display at my Dollar Tree. This is brand new to my area. I'm not going to go through all the posters, but look at this organization station for all the posters. They're $5. They even sell the poster clips to go with them. So check often to see if your stores have this as well. In the tool section, I found more Zoid products. So these are the Zoid blades for like box cutters. They come in a 5-pack. They're only just $1.25. So if you're looking for replacement blades, and these should be kind of a universal fit, so check those out in your tool section. They also have plastic tent stakes. I was excited to see this because I don't have a tent, but I definitely use these a lot in my garden, especially for landscaping and marking. So these come in a nice 8-pack, a great deal for $1.25 compared to other stores. Now, over in the food section, I've spotted some name brand items. One is this Golden's Spicy Brown Mustard. I buy this all the time, but I was excited to see it at Dollar Tree. And yes, it is a great deal at $1.25 because on walmart.com, it is selling for $1.66. This was a new item spotted too, new seasoning. So this is the Texas barbecue seasoning rub. I've never seen that at my store. The nice generous bottle too. And so if you're looking for a nice rub to try out, definitely try this one out for all of your barbecue needs. And then this one was new as well. So this one is the buttery steak seasoning. Now, I did try this out, but I did try it out on chicken. I am a fan. I love it. I wish they would just have one that just had butter and herbs and not just everything else, but this was great. So on to the next dollar store, we are heading to Dollar General. Now, Dollar General always gives Dollar Tree a run for their money, and we're going to check out why. I walked in, first thing, wood floors. Okay, Dollar General, I see you. So on to the items. They have these really nice dishes. I believe these are melamine plastic. They're only $1. A lot of the items I'm going to show you today, they're just $1. Now they do have the matching bowls. I love this leafy print. Very, very nice. Something you would probably see like at a Pier 1 or a World Market. Now they also had a ceramic dish to go with it as well. This is a smaller dish too for just $1. Another dollar item are these cups. Now, these are not glass, they are plastic, but they're just $1. You can get them in clear, a yellow, or that green to match that dishware. Really pretty design. I love mason jars, and when I saw these, I definitely grabbed them. So they are full-size mason jars. They're just $1. I love they have the little raised, embossed kind of floral design on there. So yes, I definitely grabbed these. Great for DIYs or decor. Now, if you're more of a jelly jar style person, they did have the small ones available too. Same embossed floral design on those. Those are $1 as well. Check out these little melamine dishes. They're shaped like little flowers. These are great to just throw anything in, your jewelry, little trinkets, but I did see them in pink and a yellow design. I think they're really, really pretty, and they're just $1. Here's another jar. So these are small little storage jars. Now these ones have a design on the glass. They do have a cork inside, and then you can get this spring-loaded lid design, and all the lids have different colors as well. All these little jars are just $1. These little jars here are really cute, great for little condiments. You can put little things for your coffee station or making hamburgers or hot dogs. Of course, they're smaller portions, but they have the little spoon included. I think that is so cute for just $1. These dishes also caught my eye with the little floral design on the inside, and on the out edge they have like a pink stripe, a blue stripe, or a yellow stripe. Now I'm not sure what I would use these for. Let me know in the comments below what you would use these bowls for. They call them tidbit bowls. They had a lot of nautical things as well, and some of my favorites I wanted to show were these little dishes. So they have sea themes on them. They had the starfish, they had shells, they had coral, and they all have a gold edge around it. Now another one that they have here is this tabletop decor with really thick MDF. Very impressive. These are $1 too, and they have home sweet home themes. They also have some ocean themes and believe in your dreams, which is really nice. These are all just $1. I love these little bowls here. They come in a 2-pack if you want the medium size. They have a 3-pack if you want the small size. There's so many neat uses for these. Now I have bought the small ones, and what I did is I spray painted them black and mounted them on boards that I got from the Dollar Tree. You guys, any of the DIYs that I share with you today, I'm going to link in the description box below so you can give them a try. Another item in the garden section are these acrylic little bird house feeders. So if you see at the bottom, it's closed in where you could put little bird seed in it, but these would be great for DIYs. You could put plants inside, decor inside, and they have suction cups on the back. You can even get one looking like a trailer or a camper. So that is another one you can get. I saw these two for just $1 in the garden section. Now right next to it, they have these as well. So this is almost like a modern style vase. So these are clear, and this one is kind of tinted with a little green. You can also get them tinted with a pink color if you want to. And if you didn't want any color, they do have them in clear. Now these are great for all kinds of organization, makeup brushes for your desk. You can use them as planters as noted on the container, but I love items with a multi-purpose use. These were another item that I really loved. So these are self-watering planters. These are actually really nice quality. So impressed. Now, the most impressive part is that they're just $1. So I saw these in white. I definitely grabbed a few of these to hang outside of my home. Now, if you did want another color, they did have this minty green one as well. They have a hook on the outside, so you can hook them on and plant any plant you want. Now, speaking of planters, they always have a variety of planters at Dollar General for just $1. And this is a 2-pack for just $1. Again, beats out Dollar Tree because theirs are $1.25. You can also get the kneeling pad for just $1 at Dollar General. So always stop there first if you're looking for little items like this in your garden section and you want to save that extra quarter. Now, one of my favorite things in the garden section are the wood stakes. I use these for a ton of DIYs. They are solid wood, decent shape, and they're super long, almost 3 feet long, you guys. So I always use these in DIYs. Some of you have asked where I get my long wood stakes. Don't go to the home improvement stores, go to Dollar General. Now I have made my tall lanterns using these stakes, and you can see they turned out so great. So definitely pick up some from there. Now these little cute watering cans are very nice at the Dollar General if you have small watering projects. So they have the two-tone round one. You can even get some in little gnome shapes. How cute is that? So you can get them in different colors in the garden section for just $1. They have plant misters in 4 different colors at Dollar General for $1. And you can see that they have like the pump at the top and you can mist all of your lightweight plants. Now, this is probably one of my favorite sprayers at Dollar General. It has that kind of bubble design on the outside with the sprayer, and plus it holds more liquid. Now, I have DIY with this. I have spray painted the bottle and added some greenery beading, some nautical rope jute. It turned out so cute. Now, if you're into decor, check out all of these $1 items in the decor section for spring. Now, a lot of these are plant and garden theme, and that is this time of the year. I'm actually growing my own garden right now. If you haven't checked out my kiddie pool gardening series on my channel, you'll see how I grow a complete season of gardening in kiddie pools. So make sure you check that out. So these signs are really cute. They are MDF, and what they are is a nice good size. Now, if you don't like the design of these, I love that the back is blank and you can repurpose them. Now you can also get these colorful pinwheels. They also have some wood painting kits. Now these are solid wood items and each of them comes with paint and paint brushes, or you can get them in this kit. It is a wind chime. Now you can use these as is, or what you can do is you can take them apart and use them in other DIY projects. It's very, very versatile. Now to decorate your garden, they have a lot of novelty items such as little gnomes and snails. If you want to sit these around your garden, that would be super cute. They even have decorative stakes, and you can put these little stakes in your garden as well with different words. Now these cement looking animals are really neat. They have little succulents in them, and you can sit those around your garden space, or you can use them for some decor, especially tiered tray decor, because they're the perfect size and they're just $1. And you can also use these little potted succulents as well, just $1 for all of these varieties too. So for small decor, definitely check out Dollar General. These are called watering leaves. Now I have a DIY idea for these, but I thought these were neat. If you know what you would use these for, let me know in the comments below. And everybody needs one of those thermometers outside. I always love to peek outside at this. They have them in 3 colors. You can get them in white, blue, and green, kind of going with their theme this year. And they're just $1. That beats the Dollar Tree. Now this isn't a $1 item, but check it out. It is a 6-pack of solar lights, but it's only $5. So they come out to less than $1 a piece when you get this 6-count package. They have them in black and they had them in silver at my store. So if you're looking for more bang for your buck, definitely grab these from Dollar General. Now, we all know Dollar General has a $1 aisle. Yes, just $1. And here's a few items that I love on this aisle. So these are the disposable washcloths. We always see these at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Well, they're only just $1 at Dollar General. So make sure you check that out. And I've seen these Mickey Mouse tissues at Dollar Tree as well. They did have several different ones in this section in a Disney theme. So check those out. The disinfectant spray is probably one of the staples at Dollar Tree, and also the tag wipes. Now this size tag wipes is actually bigger than Dollar Tree's, so it's better for $1 here. Now check this out. Lots of LA totally awesome products are here, as well as Dollar Tree, but you want to make sure you get them at Dollar General because they're all $1. And I love that coconut oil product. Now, this new stain remover that we've been seeing at Dollar Tree is at Dollar General as well, but it's just $1 there, as well as all of the totally awesome cleaning products and also spick and span cleaning products. So make sure you head there to check out dollar items. Now, I did find some fences at Dollar General. Now, the great thing is their fences are just $1. I love this picket one. You can use it for its intended purpose or DIYs. You might have to bend down a little to find them, but they do have them. And this one, wow, this is an amazing fence. I've never seen this one, and it's just $1. DIY projects definitely populated my brain when I saw this. So definitely grab these when you do see them. So now we're going to hop over to the Family Dollar. We all know Dollar Tree just sold off Family Dollar, but they still have 125 items, and one is the classic fence that we always used to see at Dollar Tree. We know Dollar Tree just changed this out and stopped carrying this. Get it at Family Dollar. They had a ton of them in stock, so definitely stock up on those. But that's not even the half of it. I looked up, and shut your mouth and keep on talking. Do they not have fences in white now? Okay, I was so impressed. We are always painting these and making DIYs out of these. We don't have to do it anymore. They have them in white, $1.25. So run, don't walk to the Family Dollar. Now, what I've done with these is I've made some mirrored wall decor with these fences. Of course, when I made these, I had to paint them, but you can skip that step now by getting the white fences at Family Dollar for just $1.25. You can make trays with them, and you can put them around a candle vase, or you can keep them in like their natural state. You can make this 3-piece frame decor out of those black fences. Also, you can make medallion decor. This is just a few of the ones that I have created, and I'll link some more in the description box below. Now, this is a bonus section. These aren't $1, but I just had to feature them. They have these modern looking lanterns. I don't see these at the Dollar Tree. Wow, I was really impressed with these. I've never seen them before, and they are white and black, and they're just $5, just like the larger lanterns at the Dollar Tree. So definitely swing by Family Dollar to check these out. They only had just a handful left on the shelf. And if you've been looking for those stepping stones that I've been seeing in the plus section, they have them at Family Dollar too for $3. So no worries, head to your Family Dollar to grab those too. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at dollar stores as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.